Cleaning means removing dirt, dust, and unwanted items from your home to keep it safe and healthy for everyone. It helps prevent diseases, keeps air fresh, and stops pests from spreading. Regular cleaning is essential. Tools such as brooms, mops, and brushes help make cleaning easier. Each has its purpose. All areas of the home should be cleaned regularly based on their needs. Toilets need disinfectants, while kitchens need soap and water. Everyone can participate in cleaning, including children, who learn responsibility while keeping the home tidy. Cleaning should be done safely by avoiding excessive water and harsh chemicals. Follow a regular schedule. After cleaning, tools must be washed, dried, and stored properly to ensure they are ready for the next use.